Just say that I have hard time, but it's alright. Oh, vanilla, oh, chocolate, blue with a knife, right foot sight. Young girl and me on a harder time. It's the kind I like. I was born the year this song came out. It may have been before I was even born. You're like a brand new film. And a special way, a surprise package on a bright, clear Sunday day. And right to the side. Strawberry, raspberry, all those good things. Vitamin C comes from that's what you're saying to me. Subscribe, share, comment. Find me on Instagram, YouTube. I forget quickly. Facebook and X. X.com. Roy G. Bivens, ROYGEEBIVENS, just like it is on Instagram. So hope you enjoyed. Good night, y'all.